Welcome to our Stealthy Finance Tips channel. Frugal living is all about maximizing your resources and making mindful choices to stretch your dollars further. Here are some practical frugal living tips to help you save money and live more intentionally. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Create a budget that allocates funds for essentials like housing, food, transportation, and utilities, while also setting aside savings for goals and emergencies. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Cancel unused subscriptions. Negotiate lower bills for services like cable or internet, and avoid impulse purchases by practicing mindful spending. Cook at home. Eating out can quickly drain your budget, so prioritize cooking meals at home. Plan your meals. Buy ingredients in bulk, and explore budget-friendly recipes that utilize inexpensive ingredients. Brown bagging your lunch for work can also save you a significant amount over time. Shop smart. Take advantage of sales, coupons, and discount codes to save money on groceries and household items. Consider buying generic or store brand products, and compare prices at different stores to find the best deals. Shopping in bulk for non-perishable items can also lead to cost savings. Reduce utility costs. Lower your energy and water bills by implementing simple conservation measures. Turn off lights when not in use, unplug electronics, use energy-efficient appliances, and consider installing programmable thermostats and low-flow fixtures to save on heating, cooling, and water usage. Embrace secondhand shopping. Explore thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces for gently used clothing, furniture, and household items at a fraction of the cost of new. Thrifting can unearth unique finds while saving you money and reducing waste. DIY and repurpose. Save money by tackling household projects and repair yourself instead of hiring professionals. Learn basic DIY skills through online tutorials and books, and repurpose items you already own for new purposes instead of buying new. Prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality, durable items that will last longer and require less frequent replacement. While the upfront cost may be higher, quality products often offer better value over time compared to cheaper alternatives. Practice minimalism. Declutter your home and adopt a minimalist lifestyle by focusing on what truly adds value and joy to your life. By reducing unnecessary possessions and consumerism, you can save money, reduce stress, and live more intentionally. Find free or low-cost entertainment. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options such as community events, parks, libraries, and online resources for books, movies, and educational materials. Get creative with inexpensive hobbies and activities that bring you joy. By incorporating these frugal living tips into your daily life, you can save money, reduce financial stress, and live more intentionally while still enjoying the things that matter most to you. Remember that frugality is not about deprivation, but rather about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, and subscribe.